In the previous lesson, we looked at using AI to help us debug code. Another great way to use AI and quickly meet the needs of your students is code enrichment. And this method is particularly good for helping meet the needs of fast flyers and high achievers. CS classes move at different paces, and the students in each class move at very different speeds. How can you ensure the high flyers and fast coders stay engaged and have enough to work on while you help the students who need more time or code at a slower pace? One way is to use AI to provide enrichment. Teachers have been providing supplemental materials and enrichment for a long time. When you use AI as a tool, you could potentially offload the work and provide more targeted and differentiated enrichment. Let's look at an example. Here, we have a Python program that conditionally prints a student's year. If I ran the program, it would prompt me for my name and my year in school. So if I ran it, I would enter Dave in the year 12. And then the program would print, "Hello Dave, welcome to school. You should buy books from the senior year book list." But this is not the best way to do conditional printing in Python. Ask AI how to improve this and allow a student to explore as an enrichment activity. Let's jump to the code editor and see how it functions, and then we will ask AI and assign this to one of our eager fast flyers.